What is that? Is that a real golf ball?
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
It's really high.
Oh.
Whoa.
Wow.
In the hole.
Yeah, good job. You're awesome.
Yeah. Let's
Go get it.
Go get it.
You want to hit it again? Here you go. Here it is. Here it is. You ready to hit it again?
What?
Let me see you hit it again.
I said really high. Whoa.
You got to get ready. You weren't even paying attention. Get ready.
3.
Oh! Almost took me out on that one.
Yeah?
Yeah, nice hit.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Whoa.
See you later.